So this next tip, tip number 7, is about including some nuts and seeds in your diet. Foods like almonds, walnuts, linseed, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. These sorts of foods can be used as a snack or added to salads or other vegetable dishes that you might be consuming. Foods like almonds have been shown to help lower your lousy cholesterol level. And often people might be not including these foods in their diet, fearing that they're a little bit high in fat. Now, we know that the information that's on the pack isn't necessarily what is taken on board by the body. So whilst you might be reading food labels thinking that almonds and walnuts are too high in fat for your diet, the amount of fat that actually is taken on board by the body is less. This is because these are a very complex food, they're really natural, there's a whole lot of nutrients wrapped up there with the fibre. And so it's very difficult for your body to actually take that all apart and store the fat. So almonds or walnuts, all nuts, are a good choice to add in your diet. What I'd like to suggest is that along with your 2 serves of fruit and 5 serves of vegetables, that you add a handful of nuts to your diet each day. It's about 30 grams, a quarter of a cup or 20 almonds. For people consuming nuts, we know that there's actually no difference in their body weight. The other thing we know that's great about eating nuts is that it can actually help lower your cholesterol. When you have your cholesterol level tested by your doctor, they'll tell you the total cholesterol number. You also need to find out what that number is made up of. Now, there's healthy cholesterol, HDL, and lousy cholesterol, LDL. Nuts can help lower that lousy LDL cholesterol, which is really good news for your heart.